Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Bob from Goals Martial Arts, and this is
Zoya.
from Goals Martial Arts also. It's my youngest son. A lot of parents have been asking me to post a tutorial on how to tie their child's belt on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it the simple and easiest way. The way I'm going to do it is setting it up as if you're tying the belt on yourself. All right? So first things first, you get your child's belt. You get the middle of the belt. All right?
Like the top right here.
And you put it underneath their belly button or wherever it's comfortable for them. You take it around the back and bring it around the front. All right, so now you have two. All right, so the one that's on top, you're going to put it underneath both pieces of the belt, tighten it a little bit. Then you're going to go top, underneath, and tie it. All right, let's show you one more time. All right, so you get the middle, put it under the belly button, tie it around the back, or bring it around the back, and then it comes out the front. So now you have two. The one leg goes on top, underneath, and back out. From there, tighten it a little bit, take the top one, underneath, and tied. All right, if you guys have any other questions about it, like I always say, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Bob from Goals Martial Arts, and this is
Zoya.
Thank you very much. See you later.